second here. Around Halloween time, I was messing with Jiffer pretty hard. Kind of scared her a few times. I got on a video for you. And hope you enjoy it. You okay? And she got me once, towards the end. Here you go. Here's the one of her getting me. In-laws we trust.
Jiffer.